using. And then yung baonan ko, I always bring packed lunch. So ito yung parang dessert ko, cookies and then chocolates. Tapos meron ako for snacks na Skyflakes. And then meron ako ditong baon na shrimp, white rice, and then egg. So lagi kayo magbaon dahil mas tipid, parang wala ka nang problemahin. So, that's our lunch box. And then for my bag, ito yung lagi kong dala ngayon, baba ko na lang. And I have here all of the things for work. Ayan, it's 7:33. Akit ako agad. I have here my laptop. Tapos I'm using my personal laptop as well for work and law school. Tapos I have here my LV agenda notebook for all my notes and budgeting. Tapos I have my compact wallet. I've been using this for 7 years. Super ganda, and it fits everything that I need, like cards, calling cards, and then yung cash and coins. And then meron ako ditong key holder for all my keys at home. And then ito, I only got this from Shopee, pero guys, this is a lifesaver. If you have tote bags, buy this from TikTok or Shopee. I have all my anik-anik, like etong glasses ko, tapos may some toiletries like toothbrush, lotion, breath spray, tapos meron ditong tissue, and then yung mga pang retouch ko, etong ano natin, gloss, mini perfume. I love this so much. Tapos meron ako ditong yung fan dahil sobrang init. Oh my. Tapos parang less than 150 lang sa Shopee. And then yung earphones ko, yung pang retouch ko, and then more tissue, and then power bank. Meron din dito. And then yung med kit ko. Maliit lang. I love this small pouch. Lifesaver talaga, especially for working girls na gustong magpapalit ng bag. Tapos may mga pockets pa siya here. Ito, for my to-do list, ganyan. Sorry, hindi nakikita. And then, meron lang ditong alcohol. So, tara. Punta na tayo sa work. This is so efficient. Like, every time na magpapalit ako ng bag, parang napakadali niya. Eto, tignan niyo, oh. Like, super organized and clean yan. So, pag may mga tote bag kayo, yan din. Let's go to work. Mag-ano lang tayo. Mag-retouch lang tayo sa gate. 7:36. Dito. Konti sa eyebags natin dahil alam niyo na, if you have work and school, tapos in my case super hirap ng aking time management. Sometimes ang hirap makakuha ng enough sleep. So, perfume lang tayo. And then let's wear our ID. Let's go to work. Okay, let's go. At least I'll share with you what goes in my day. Ito, work day today. Pero later baka tayo ay pupunta sa mall. Let's go. So glad na mabilis akong nakarating. Kala ko abutin ako ng mga 7:50, but it's only 7:30. Let's go. wrappers. Sa 40 metro, lumiko sa kaliwa.
May ganyan akong horror.
Thank you.
Children below 13.
Hate all you want, but I'm dangerous. You gon' burn your tongue with this tea. Might show up late, might be
Okay, so far, ano masabi mo sis? Ang ganda. Ang
I
ganda.
like it so
Super
much.
nice na.
Ang daming learnings.
Oo, ang ganda. Super nice. Akala ko hindi nila
Mapupull off.
Oo, kasi ang daming lumabas na reels or articles. Pero maganda, right? So,
Yeah.
tara, dinner na tayo. Thank you.
Sarap lang yung salad. Nakanap ka ng gym mo? Bili tayo isa dito.
Oo.
Gusto mo bili tayo tatlo na naman? To go. Tapos isa...
Di na ako nakapag-end-vlog kahapon. So, nagnood lang kami ng movie ng friend ko. Nakaabot kami sa Devil Wears Prada 2. Tapos, nag-dinner lang. Tapos, umuwi na rin ako around 7 or 8, ganyan, kasi di na talaga kaya. The next day, which is today, nagpahinga lang din ako after ng quick workout yun. I already have my journal and my laptop here kasi i-ready ko lang yung mga kailangan ko for the week. So, katatapos na ng semester namin and the enrollment will start June 15 for the summer classes. I'm advancing 2 subjects, Public International Law and Civ Pro 2. So, more or less, nasa 20 to 22 days yung pahinga namin. Kasi, last week lang naman natapos yung yung classes. So, it's very important to rest and reset. Kagaya nito, binigay ko na talaga sa sarili ko yung 1 week na yon para mag-relax, ganyan. And then, etong week, sabak na naman tayo. So, we're gonna do our advanced readings. I'm just doing random vlogs. Mga nangyayari with my work and then life every weekend, kung ano nangyayari. So, yeah. Let's proceed na dito sa aking note-taking and then ila-line up ko yung mga readings ko for this week para at least medyo ready naman ako sa start ng summer classes.